I'm going to present you our project IoT Masterminds. Whenever you say IoT project, most of us usually instinctively think about some sensors, some actuators, stuff like that. What we tried to do was to create a distributed IoT open source framework for gathering, viewing, analyzing sensor data, together with providing actions back back to the devices on the field. This is the structure that we chose for our framework. So we would have an IoT device, actually a few IoT devices, which will gather the data. We would need a web server, then a client application. Then we also have a machine learning, we would need a machine learning server to send back the data. Yeah, we'll get to that in a moment. So these are some of the features that we have. So all the devices will have auto discovery. They will stream sensor data. The web server discover. Okay, sorry. The client application is able to monitor the sensor values from the device list, and the machine learning, which we call the brain, hence mastermind, gathers the data, which is going to be processed and provide a finished trained model. In our case, we use the neural network. Everything that we have done, all of the four parts are basically REST APIs. So you have a lot of advantages with that. Everyone that knows what REST API should know instantly. We chose Node.js for the web server, Angular web application for the client, and the machine learning is done with neural networks and yeah, whatever else you want. Shit. Sorry. Okay, examples. Skip that. How does it work? So we have 4 workers. These announce the availability to the central server. Then the client application gets the device list, selects, in our case, 3 of the workers, opens a direct socket to the desired devices. Then it will choose some of the data. It will send back to train the neural network, and the neural network then can send back the trained models back to the minions, so that the minions can actually use the actuators based on what the neural network was trained on. Usage examples, I'm going to skip that.
Thank you.
Questions?
Any questions?
You mentioned auto-discovery of sensors. Did you actually do anything with that, or is that just like something you want to...
Excellent question. I was hoping that would be one of the first questions because I have this slide. So obviously we didn't finish everything. At the moment, auto-discovery is hard-coded. What else? Yeah.
Just. Will it be with sensors though? So you plug in a new sensor and it will identify it?
Obviously, the sensor has to be it has to respect the API's protocols.
Which parts of the Edison platform are you using?
Well, I don't understand the question. So,
what have you used? What have you used of the Edison?
Oh, okay, I get it. At the moment, all the nodes are Edison. The neural network, we tried to do it on the Edison, but it took like since yesterday. We kept training the network. It's still not working. And yeah, I think the main server can be also implemented on the Edison because it's just Node. But it's an API, so we could use Edison. We could use anything else. But Edison can do that.
Thank you. Well done.
You said you were hoping to open source this. Have you put it up anywhere?
It's on Bitbucket, but obviously it's not completely finished.
So I can call you afterwards. I can have a look at it.
Next week we will have the finished version. That's something that we hope that we can proudly deliver.